Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Mita Nurmalasari and now I will present a journal entitled The Use of Grammar Translation Method in Teaching English by Katerina Elmayanti. The reason why I chose this journal is because I want to know whether this method of teaching grammar translation is effective to use. In this journal, there are several items in outline, namely introduction, literature review, methodology, findings and discussion, and also conclusion. Introduction. Currently, English plays an important role in the field of education. For example, various kinds of textbooks, journals, and science material have been published in this language and are communicated mainly through print documents. The global era makes English very significant in terms of communication between countries in the world. Therefore, in Indonesia, to prepare its people for that impact, English subjects are taught starting from elementary school to university level. In order to teach English effectively, the role of teaching methods is needed. Some teaching methods, according to experts, are direct method, total cycle response, whole language approach, communicative language, and also grammar translation method. But from the many methods proposed in the classroom, the teachers still choose old method or the grammar translation method in teaching and learning English. Based on background of the study, research questions are: first, what are the patterns of grammar translation method used by the teacher in teaching and learning English at SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya? And the second, why do the English teacher use grammar translation method in teaching and learning English at SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya?
And then, literature review. Prater and Murcia in Setiadi 17 list the main characteristics of the grammar translation method. There are classes are taught in the mother tongue. A lot of vocabulary is taught in the form of isolated list of words, and then the focus in accuracy and not fluency. And Harmer's statement 2007 that grammar translation still has relevance. And significance of the study are: first, to assist teacher in English teaching methods in order to facilitate students in learning English at SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya. And the second, to find out the reason why the method is still used by teacher in SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya. Next is methodology. In methodology, there are several items. First, the design of the study was descriptive qualitative method, and the subject of the study were two English teachers at the 7th grade of SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya in academic year 2011 and 2012. The instruments used were in the form of observation sheet and questionnaires, and data collection techniques using observation and question. Meanwhile, the data analysis applied in this study used data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing or verification.
And then, findings and discussion. The pattern of grammar translation methods in English learning used by teacher at SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya is shown in Table 1. To support the observation findings, the authors also gave questionnaires to teachers and students. This is done to find out whether there is a correlation between their teaching experience and method they use in class activities, and to find out the reason why the two teachers still use the grammar translation method in teaching English. Based on the data taken from the questionnaire, both teacher A and teacher B have the same experience in teaching. Teacher A has taught English for 7 years and teacher B has been teaching this subject for 5 years. What they find and encounter in the classroom is almost the same. 63 students were asked as respondents who were taken from teacher class A, and that students were asked to answer 15 questions related to the teaching and learning process in teacher class A. Meanwhile, there were 30 students who were taken as respondents from teacher class B with a questionnaire. The same one all students answer indicate that this method is still used in teaching and learning English daily. This support that observation findings in the previous explanation. And the reason of English teacher use grammar translation method in teaching English at SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya, by using this method, teaching English subject will be easier because many students have low level of English proficiency. Most students cannot understand the lesson well when the teacher tries to speak up in the target language. In conclusion, based on observation and data obtained from questionnaire supported by written notes such as curriculum, syllabus, lesson plan manual used by teacher and student in learning English, the author finds several patterns of grammar translation methods used by the two 7th grade student teachers in SMP Negeri 1 Palangkaraya, such as first, grammar provides rules for arranging words, focus on word form and inflection, reading difficult classical text starting early, and paying less attention to the content the text.
So that's all of my presentation about this journal. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please comment below. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.